Hello, my name is Jeremiah Sarigumba, and my partner for this project is Andrew Martin. And we're currently working on our chemistry project about endothermic and exothermic systems and their energy flow. So how do these two systems work? The main difference between the two is the change in energy flow and the end product of each reaction. Starting off with endothermic. Endothermic systems take in energy and heat. With this in mind, it is important to note that potential energy within the reactants, when activated, leads to an amount of energy being absorbed with the products, having more energy than the original potential energy. As for exothermic energy, exothermic systems release energy and become colder over time. This is because when it comes to exothermic reactions, during the active energy stage, a transition step occurs, with energy being released into the surroundings and the system's temperature dropping until it reaches its final product. Examples of the two energies would be a burning candle, resting iron, and the melting of sugar for exothermic energies, while examples for endothermic reactions would be photosynthesis, combustion, and cooking an egg. However, for these reactions to occur, will require the breaking of bonds and the formation of bonds. Breaking bonds leads to an exothermic reaction, as the energy is stored in the connecting piece of atoms, and when broken, energy will be released into the surroundings. Endothermic reactions also break bonds to release energy. However, that energy is also absorbed, as it takes energy to overcome the bonds connecting the atoms together. Now, why do we study heat flow, and why does it matter? Heat is pretty much everywhere in our surroundings, as we can see it powering engines, managing the temperature of our bodies, and can also be seen in chemical reactions. Understanding how heat moves and changes allows us to create more efficient ways to create smarter technology and eco-friendly products. The study of heat flow is also essential for processes like metabolism and keeping our body systems in good condition. Studying heat gives us the tools to innovate as well as improve our everyday lives and take on environmental and global challenges. Thank you for watching.